That way around, that way around.
Up here?
Yeah.
Rangers to command over. Rangers, thanks. Any update on the radio communication system? No update on the box. Stand by 30 minutes.
Go, just punch through.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Castle, castle. We took the hard route. Whoa!
Did you just grab that by the handle?
Yeah.
Yep.
Did it land? Oh, I'm so sorry, guys.
You got the 5 though, right? Shit. Did you get the 5 first? Okay, so we're all out. Fuck.
Guys, I am horribly sorry.
Deadman! Well, you've got the highest kill rate.
I think you guys were within range of not being killed though.
He's a medic, so let's make a decision.
I was still walking up when it
Oh,
detonated.
we
so.
permadead. If a grenade goes off next to us, you insta-dead.
Oh shit.
Just blame the ingredients, it's fine. I'm sorry, I'm deeply sorry.
No.
I tried to readjust the grip, but I flip and mash the trigger.
Well, at least you got some kills.
Where did it land?
Like right in between our photos. Like if you wanted to choose,
We have to get closer.
What do you do next?